In this video, I'm going to tell you the top stock photography website where you can sell your images, your video files, your audio files, your vector files, and your video templates. Coming up. Hi everyone, I'm HarshVardhan and welcome to HarshVardhanArt.com. In this video, you will find out the top stock photography website where you can sell your images and make some passive income. And the selling images online on stock photography website is a passive income. If you are selling your images online, that's going to give you income for the coming years. In the last video, I have shown you how much I have earned through my images on stock photography websites. And if you have not watched that video, please go ahead and check that out. The link of that is in the description section below. So having said that, let's get started. So let me show you the top stock photography websites where you can sell your videos, images, music, and other stuff. So number one is the Shutterstock, and Shutterstock is the largest and the first stock photography website, and people are making most of the money on the Shutterstock and they are getting most of the sale on the Shutterstock. Most of the buyers are on the Shutterstock, so Shutterstock is the number one stock photography website. And then comes the Adobe Stock, which is a new one, but this one is the next most popular website because Adobe Stock, earlier it was the Fotolia.com and Adobe Stock purchased that, and now that Fotolia.com is now become the Adobe Stock. And since Adobe has lots of creative software like Photoshop, Premiere Pro and Illustrator, etc., and they have built in the stock library or the stock images or video option. So that's how lots of creative around the world, they are downloading the stock images or stock videos. So that's why lots of sale are coming from the Adobe Stock, at least for me, but for others are also reporting that they are making more money on the Adobe Stock website. So this is the number two website, and then comes the iStock Photo or the Getty Images. These are two separate sites, but once you submit to any of these sites, they would automatically appear on the other website as well. This website is also making me most of the money, but their royalty rate is very low. They offer only the 15%, yes, 15% of total net earning. So next is the Getty Images. So again, they have a large network of website, Getty Images. So once you submit to any of the site, that would be available on all of their websites. And the next one is the dreamstime.com, which is the beginner friendly, and I have started uploading on this, and I have learned the stock photography and even photography on dreamstime.com. I started submitting initially on this website. So that was my first website where I started submitting my images, and I got my first sale on dreamstime.com. And this one is also good because they have very low rejection rate, and literally you can submit any kind of image and they most likely would accept that. And then we have the next beginner friendly stock photography website, and that is the depositphotos.com. So this is also beginner friendly. They have very low rejection rate, but sales are very low, at least for me on this website. And images are selling at very less price compared to other websites, so you will make less on this website, depositphotos.com. And then we have the next one, and the last one is the 123rf.com. So this is again the beginner friendly, but the sales are very low on this 123rf.com. I have hardly made $57 or $58 till today on this website, which you might have already seen in my videos, how much I have earned from stock photography website. If you have not watched that video, link of that is in the description section below. So besides this, there are many other websites, stock photography websites also, where you can sell your photos, vectors, footage, audios, or the video templates, etc. But those are not that popular. So these are the top popular. Number one, Shutterstock. Second is Adobe Stock. Third one is the Getty Images or iStockphoto.com, and then we have the dreamstime.com and depositphotos.com and the 123rf.com. so there are so many other websites also like Alamy, because Alamy is also good and they sell the images at very high price, but I don't upload to alamy.com. And there is one more, that is the 500pix.com. So let me show you the 500.com. that is also a popular website, but this is kind of a community. It is not the stock photography website per se, but yes, you can make a lot more money over here. I have sold many images on the 500pix.com, and I've even sold images at the price of $170, $270 something on 500pix.com, but that's not working any longer because earlier they were having their own marketplace, but now they have given the rights to sell their images to Getty Images and the Visual China Group. So sales are again at very low price. You are literally getting these cents for the images, and those are also not happening frequently, at least for me. But yes, 500pix is also good. Do upload there as well. I have a video on how to sell images on 500pix.com. You can go through that and start uploading on 500pix.com as well. So these were the top stock photography website where you can sell your images, footage, audios, or the video templates.